Welcome to Membership Websites. Just a quick question that somebody sent in. How do you make your menu display in bold font? So that's referring to the main menu, although you can use this in other menus around your site as well. So we're going to show you how to do that. So we go into the admin section, Toolbox, Menu Manager. We're going to go into the main menu, Customise main menu. And we can see when we go into the main menu, we've got cogwheels just on the right hand side. So we can go into these and we can open these cogwheels up. And I'll just do a couple of them just for the moment. So we're going to stick in bold. And I'll leave a couple not bold just so that you can see the difference. We'll go back to the main menu website. Refresh. And we can see that 3 of them have bold active in them, with the home page just in normal font and the join page. So if we open it back up again, we can add bold in here as well. So this is all going in the Menu Item CSS class, and then we'll add bold to the last one as well. And we'll save changes. And then we will see that all the menu items in the main menu are bold. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful.